Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to show your birthday on the PUBG Mobile application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, go to your home page, and then click on this button that you can find down below on the right side corner. Then tap on settings at the top on the right side again. Go to this right side column, scroll down and tap on privacy and social down below. Then scroll down again until you can find the show birthday feature in the first column. So if you would like to turn it on, click on the enable button, but you can also disable it by tapping on the other option. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.